Hello friends, welcome back to my video again. Today I will show you all the main parts of Kling 3 and about their plans. The Kling 3 model unifying world-class 4K visuals, native audio, and multi-shot storyboarding into a single seamless creative engine. Enhanced audio generation. Model expected to be able to create character-specific voice referencing integrated into the video generation. Multi-shot narratives. A unified storyboard workflow that generates cinematic sequences in a single pass. Kling 3 expected to handle camera transitions and shot-reverse shot dialogue patterns automatically. While Kling 2.6 introduced native audio and synchronized motion, Kling 3 evolves this into a full AI director workflow. Key upgrades include multi-shot storyboarding, elements, consistency, and new physics engine, Directorial physics, advanced simulation of fluid dynamics, gravity, and complex object interactions, native 4K cinematic workflow. New model is expected to offer reasoning-based editing, allowing you to modify videos through natural language. One of the most important features is ultra-high definition output with native text rendering in 4K. Kling 3 is rumored to support native generations of up to 15 seconds. This enables creators to move from 5-second clips to fuller narrative arcs. Just pick your plan. They're monthly and annual. Get access to more generations and priority access to new features. There are packages like Basic, Pro, Ultimate, and Creator. Starting from Basic, you can see there all the benefits. They have great discount also for annual packages, so it is time to choose. See the power you're missing. Compare and upgrade. Also, they have Creator Monthly Package and Creator 2-year. Take a side-by-side look at why experts are switching to better plans. Get up to 40x more credits, unlimited models. Inside Higgsfield, these scene-based outputs align naturally with motion design, typography, and timing on the canvas, since each scene already carries intentional pacing and structure. Kling 3 supports video generation with or without audio, with sound designed as a first-class component of the scene rather than an afterthought. When audio is enabled, motion and sound are generated together, with attention to fine-grained details such as microsounds, environmental textures, and subtle auditory cues that reinforce physical interaction, timing, and spatial presence. Kling 3 is the latest release generation of the Kling video model, extending the evolution of earlier versions by moving beyond single-shot generation into a scene-based editable video workflow. While previous Kling releases focused on improving motion quality and audiovisual alignment, Kling 3 introduces explicit structure, duration control, and editing primitives that allow creators to plan, generate, and refine video more deliberately. The model supports video durations from 3 to 15 seconds, output resolutions of 720p and 1080p, and generation with or without audio, depending on the intended workflow. These parameters actively define pacing, rhythm, and narrative structure at the generation stage, shaping how the video unfolds from the start. Editing and generation as a continuous workflow. A defining characteristic of Kling 3 is the convergence of generation and editing. Scenes can be extended, adjusted, and refined after the initial generation, including changes to scene duration, framing constraints, motion behavior, and elements, without restarting the process. This reflects how creators actually work. Inside Higgsfield, Kling-generated footage becomes editable material that can be shaped through motion design, typography, transitions, and timing adjustments. allowing creative intent to evolve without breaking continuity. My dear friends, let's show you how to create a video by Kling 3. A futuristic city street soaked in rain, alive with neon signs and reflections. People pass by wearing high-tech visors while flying vehicles hum above. First of all, define the prompt and scene structure. Describe what happens in each scene and set the duration for every segment. Write a prompt that describes the overall concept, visual style, camera behavior, and motion intent. Then define the number of scenes, 2 to 6. Make videos in one click. 250 plus presets for camera control, framing, and high-quality VFX, or use the general preset for manual control. I will add image and description. Second is that define start and end frames, or only an end frame, to guide motion flow, scene continuity, and how the video resolves visually. Step 3. Generate the video. Generate a clip between 3 and 15 seconds at 720p or 1080p, with or without audio, using the defined prompt, scene structure, physics, camera behavior, and subject consistency. I will make it 5 seconds, and quality is 1080p. After place the clip on the canvas, add the generative video to the Higgsfield canvas as a base layer, where it becomes part of the editable composition. Now, you can generate the final output. Generate a final video from the canvas in the required format and resolution. Best use cases for Kling 3 on Higgsfield. Kling 3 performs best in scenarios where structure, realism, and consistency are essential. Let's now create. After a few seconds, video is already ready. We get amazing video which we pretty deserved. You can look. By the way, you can make your second video too. Just start to create. It is pretty good for today. Thanks for watching me till the video. Have a nice day.